Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about what is information technology. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is information technology? Information technology refers to the use of computers, networking, and software to process, store, retrieve, and transmit information. It is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses a wide range of technologies and applications, from basic computer hardware and software to sophisticated data management systems and network infrastructure. According to the Information Technology Association of America, ITAA, information technology encompasses all forms of technology used to create, store, exchange, and use information in its various forms. This includes everything from personal computers and mobile devices to servers, data centers, cloud computing, and the internet. IT has had a profound impact on modern society, transforming the way we work, communicate, and access information. It has enabled businesses to prepare more efficiently, governments to provide better services to their citizens, and individuals to connect with others around the world. To succeed in the field of IT or information technology, individuals must have a solid foundation in the computer science, mathematics, and engineering. They must also be able to think critically and creatively, solve problems, and work well in a team environment. Career opportunities in IT or information technology are varied and abundant, including positions in software development, database administration, network engineering, cybersecurity, and data analytics, among others. With the continued growth of technology, there is a high demand for skilled IT professionals. For my references, Information Technology Association of America, what is information technology? So we have here the link. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation of what is information technology. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.